everybody's favorite bit, the calculations at the end, I just want to remind you the form that we're supposed to take when we're doing this calculations. Remember that we imaginarily split the page up into two sections, on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Please do not draw any of these things in black, only draw the things in blue. On the left hand side we collect our terms. Okay, so if we have A, B, and C, we collect the numbers and the units that we find in whatever question it is that we're looking at. So, I don't know, 12 meters, 2 seconds, and then we don't know what that one is going to be. On the right hand side we look at the numbers that we've got and we write down the equation that we're going to be using. I've got distance and I've got time, so I can use this equation here to find speed. I'll write down that D is equal to S times T. We do this every single time because you can sometimes get a mark for it. I've got to rearrange to find C, which in this case is speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Substitute my numbers in and I get my answer. Okay. Now A, B and C can be anything at all. In this particular incident, in this particular video, it was distance, time and speed, but it can be absolutely anything that you want. Okay. What do we get our marks for? We can get a mark for writing down our equation, a mark for rearranging, a mark for substituting, and a mark for finding the right answer and for having the correct units. Okay. Every single time you do a question, do it in this way. It becomes second nature and you're more likely to get your marks. So for these questions, here are the equations. You've got access to these equations here as well. You've also got all of the units and all of the unit symbols. So there's no excuse whatsoever to not be able to do these questions. In this black box down here, we've got a higher tier only. This is momentum. Momentum will only turn up in a higher tier paper. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal the rearranged equations in case you're having trouble with it, but do try not to rely on those rearranged equations. Try and do it yourself. I'll be putting the answers for these online for you in Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to check it every single day, or every single minute or every single second, because I know by now you're all missing signs. For the record, that is a joke. I don't expect you to do science every single day. Stay safe, and if you've got any questions, get in touch.